Well, Arkansas State Police making an arrest in the murders of a married couple while they were just out hiking with their two young kids. 28-year-old James Andrew McGann is accused of killing Clinton and Kristen Brink Saturday in Devil's Den State Park, a busy park there. He is being charged with 2 counts of capital murder, and Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders saying this about the arrest: "Let there be no mistake. We do not tolerate violent crime in Arkansas. If you target innocent people, law enforcement will hunt you down and bring you to justice." And that is exactly what happened here. Criminal defense attorney Donna Rotunno is a Fox News contributor joining us now after reading through some of what just happened here. Donna, I know it's early, but what do we know about this guy? I know that he was a teacher, so he was around a lot of kids. I mean, this is just shocking.
Hi, Aisha, how are you? It really is a shocking story and so unfortunate. My goodness, 2 parents of 2 young children out hiking and enjoying their time together in the summer. Unbelievable. I mean, obviously, this man has passed background checks. That's how he was able to work in school. So clearly, he has no background. Who knows what's going on here? Who knows if this is a psychotic episode? So far, it doesn't seem that there's been any connection between the parents and this killer, basically. I mean, I know this is a point where it's alleged, but I mean, there seems to be no connection whatsoever. This does not seem to be targeted in any way, and no reason why the children were spared. And this is just an awful story.
Yeah, and they found him so quickly. I want to read a quick statement from Arkansas State Police here. This is Mike Hager. He says a collaboration between state police, other state and local law enforcement agencies, and our federal partners has been second to none. And because of their hard work and investigative skill, we were able to take a monster off the streets and bring relief to those 2 precious girls and the rest of our citizens. I found it so fascinating, and maybe you can get into his head a little bit here. He was found at a barber shop getting his hair cut. I mean, just living his life like it was normal.
Yeah, it's definitely very bizarre behavior, and to just sort of go on and not really be hiding out in any way definitely seems quite bizarre. So we're probably going to really get into the mental background of him and the fact that he did leave his other school fairly quickly, it seemed, and moved to another state. So who knows if we're going to uncover anything in his previous area of residence. And this is just an awful situation in those poor children.
Donna, do we think he knew this family? He didn't harm the girls, the 2 little girls that, I can't even imagine what they saw and heard and what they went through and what they're dealing with now. But he didn't harm them.
Yeah, you wonder if that comes from his background as an educator and he just has some type of sympathy toward children. It doesn't seem that there's any connection between these parties, but I guess time will tell us. I mean, as of now, we're not being told that. They did find him quickly, so I don't know what information they have that was able to, lead them to this quick arrest, but I'm sure in the next coming days, we're going to find out much more.
Okay. Donna Rotunno on this just gruesome, horrific story. Very scary. So many people hike in that area, and this has just been hard to digest here. Yeah. So thanks for being on with us. Yeah. Thanks, Donna.
Thanks.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.